Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with a new trading video. And today I'm on the Pocket Option platform, and I'll be trading stock OTCs, over-the-counter stocks. Okay, so I have my chart set up here. Three moving averages. The first moving average is the 10 EMA, which is the white line. The second moving average will be the 50 exponential moving average, which is the green line. And then the third moving average is the 200 period simple moving average, SMA, which is the red line here. Okay, so my charts are set to 15 seconds, regular candlesticks. So the candles are 15 seconds each. And my trade time will be set to 1 minute. So I'm taking 60-second trades. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay, so I'm on Netflix OTC, and I just took a sell trade, a put trade, and first of all, we see the crossover of the white 10 EMA line and the 50 green EMA. In addition to that, the 200 SMA is showing a strong bearish trend, a downward line here. So I took the trade, and let's look at the results. In addition to that, if you notice, the price broke the previous level of support over here, right in here. And the trade is actually going our way. So let's wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on Exxon Mobil, and I just took a sell trade, a put trade. And the reason why I took the trade is, first of all, we see the 10 and the 50 EMA crossing over. In addition to that, the 200 SMA, the red line here, is showing a strong bearish trend in the stock. And so what I did is I waited for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line, and I took a sell trade. Soon as that price hit the 10 EMA line, I uh, I suspected that it was going to respect the price, and as you can see here, the price did respect the 10 EMA line and continued to push downward. So all the indicators were met, and that trade also won. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for another setup. Look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on Cisco stock right now, and I just took a buy trade, a call trade. And the reason why is, first of all, we see the crossover of the white 10 EMA with the green 50 EMA. Secondly, the 200 SMA, the red line, is showing a strong bullish trend upwards here with the slope. And thirdly, what I did is, of course, as in previous trades, I waited for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line, because we're expecting the bullish momentum that the price would respect the 10 EMA line and push further upward in a bullish direction. So let's wait for the results of this trade. Okay, great. So we won that trade. And so what I'm going to do, once again, I'm going to pause the video and look for one more trade. All right. Okay, so I'm on Citigroup stock, and I just took a call trade, a buy trade. First step, the 10 EMA crosses the 50 EMA. But in addition to that, I noticed it also crossed the 50, excuse me, the 200 SMA, which suggests a change in a change in direction into a bullish direction. So I waited for the retracement, of course, and let's wait for the results of this trade. Okay, so we won that trade. Okay, so we're 4 for 4 today. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and look for one more trade. Okay, so I just took a trade on Facebook, and the reason why I took the trade is nice crossover of the 10 EMA, the white line, with the 50 EMA, the green line. In addition to that, the 200 SMA, the red line, is showing a strong bullish trend in the stock. And so I waited for that first retracement back to the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line. In addition to that, the price broke the previous level of resistance here, which I drew a line here, which is the green line. And let's wait for this trade to expire. Okay, pushing upwards. And awesome. So we won that trade. So today we had a very good day, 5 for 5. One thing I wanted to mention, make sure that when you do these trades, you're either trading the London session or the New York session, because you need price action on your in the stocks. All right. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel in the video the channel description. Uh, so yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and happy trading. Gus Schmidt.